In this video, I'm going to show how you use survey control, specifically with checkerboard targets in Dot3D to georeference and correct for scale and drift errors using the targeting function in Dot3D. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull up the raw data file that I've captured. And we can see that the optimize button indicates that the file has not yet been optimized. I'll put it in point cloud mode, and so this is ready. So the very first thing you need is a control file. So I'm going to open up this control file in Excel, and it has a very specific format. The first column are the target IDs. So this first row corresponds to target 119, and the second column is the X value, the third column is the Y value, and the fourth column is the Z value. And in my case, these units are all in meters. So we have target 119 located at these coordinates. And you have to get the control file in exactly this format. So no header row, no extra columns, exactly like this. So we'll close this. And what we do here is the first step after you've captured the raw data file, the next step is to load the target file. So we go edit targets, and we're going to use checkerboard targets in this instance. Go next. And we're going to load that control file that we saw. And there it is there. Okay. And it's in meters and XYZ format. Okay. So that's the control file. And next we have to associate those targets with these values. So we do that. Okay, we go view, change associations. So we're going to go to this first frame here, and we just click near the target, and we'll set the target association. That's 119. Okay, and then we change associations. We'll go to here, and this is going to be 120. And we'll hit this next button. Now here we have two in one frame. We can only have one per frame. So we're going to go with this one, and that's target 101. That's also target 101, so we can have the same target in multiple frames. Now you see that these are at the edge of the scene, so they're not useful. So in fact, they're not selected or detected because they're at the edge of the scene. 20. Next, and that's 120 again. Next. I've already got a minimum of 3. This will be the fourth one. And so on. We don't need to do all of these. We can do all of the frames, of course. But I'm gonna stop here. And next what we do is propagate this assignment of these targets. And we can have a look. They have a pretty good fit. All right, so then we go next. So we've got 4 detected points. They've been assigned. We go next. We can close and optimize this file. And we're going to use the hard targeting mode here. That's what we selected here. So what the software is doing is georeferencing to this control file. And I'll switch on the surface mode. So now we're in the coordinate system of the control file. And I set this up so that the origin of the data was in this upper corner of the room, and X was going along this wall, and Z is up. Next, what we do is we save this file, File, Save As, Study, and we're going to save this file as Room Survey Control. Okay. And it'll default to control targets because the software knows that I've assigned these control targets. And it'll save. And there we have it.